Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don carry waka go do check for the ongoing building project for Stella Obasanjo Hospital and come still do check for the inpatient wing, say him get assurance say the hospital go promote the state future for medical tourism. Obaseki come talk say dem dey do all this sake of wetin their eyes see for COVID-19. That's why im promise Edo people say for this in second term, e go do ogbonge deve wey go turn Edo State to medical hub. Say na wetin im dey about be that.
If you recall, at the beginning of my second term, as a result of our experience during COVID, we did make a promise to Edo people that in addition to the several reforms we're undertaking, Edo will be a medical hub, and there's really no reason why not.
Obaseki come talk say for health matter, we get the ogbonge people wey sabi the work, but wetin we not get na the first class equipment to give the patients the correct care wey dem need. That na why in dey revamp, remodernize and equip the hospital with ogbonge equipment. In still talk say people no need travel go abroad for better healthcare again. Say by November this year, all the care wey dem need go dey here for Edo State.
We've had a medical school that has produced doctors for the last 50 years. So the requisite manpower exists in this environment. But what does not exist are facilities, world-class facilities with the kind of equipment that you need to care for patients. So what we're doing here is to revamp this facility, modernize it, and equip it with the state-of-the-art equipment like exists everywhere else in the world. So people don't have a need to leave Edo State to go to wherever they go to India and the rest of the other medical destinations they go to for care. Most of that care can and will be provided here in our state by the grace of God from November this year.
The governor constantly talk say na only Edo health insurance scheme, Edo HIS, na people go fit take get access to healthcare services for these medical facilities. Say that na why Edo HIS dey set up to get better financing arrangements wey go benefit everybody. Come talk say you no need pay money from your pocket as long as you subscribe to the health insurance scheme.
So we're not going to be charging cash, and it's the treatment will not be cheap either. Because if you look at what you pay to receive similar care abroad, it won't. What we'll be doing here will not be radically different because we're using the same equipment and we have about the same quality of people, personnel who will be treating you. However, to make it affordable, we've put in place the financing arrangement through the Edo State Health Insurance, so that you don't have to pay cash out of pocket. As long as you're subscribed to our health insurance, then you can come in here with your card and you will get care. That's the only thing that will qualify you to get services here.
Obaseki contact say
the private investor has completed the mother and child hospital, and when they're ready to commission, you'll be duly informed. As for the federal government and their orthopedic hospital, I think it's just politics. They're playing politics, and we're not interested in that. When they are ready, we have a whole design for a whole medical city here. There's enough land, there's the electricity. When they are serious and they're genuine, then they should come in and site their orthopedic hospital or clinic in this location. But we're not interested in politics, we want to provide facilities that we care for Edo people.
Edo State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Obey Akoria talk say the Governor Obaseki-led administration don build the outpatient department where they provide ogbonge care for neurology, ear, nose, throat and dental services, endocrinology, antenatal and other related services, and say na this facility be the only hydrotherapy facility for the south region of Nigeria. Dr. Obey Akoria constitute for the upgrade wey dem do for the inpatient department.
What you're looking forward to is a facility where you have insurance cover.
This administration has built an outpatient department that's going to provide high-end specialist services in ear, nose and throat, neurology, endocrinology, dental services, antenatal and other related services, as well as physiotherapy, the whole works. I think this is the only place we have a hydrotherapy facility in the south of this country that I am aware of. And that's for the OPD department, OPD being outpatients department. The inpatients department is also being upgraded So that rather than the traditional open wards that we used to have, we are going to now have en-suite wards so that people have more privacy, and there's going to be a way to monitor all the patients. So the patient experience becomes better than what it used to be. We are also having here a new set of labs that will cover hematology, clinical chemistry, microbiology, anatomic pathology, and all the others. And outside that, we are going to have an administrative block, which did not exist before. And that administrative block is going to be connected to the inpatients department. So that's what we've done a walkthrough about.
The ogbonge people wey follow Governor Obaseki for this check na Commissioner for Health, Dr. Obey Akoria, Commissioner for Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development, Isoken Omo, and other top government ogas. From Benin City, Taiwo Ayeni, TMC TV News.